Hello and welcome to Your Engineer YouTube channel. In last lecture we saw about radio buttons and checkbox input element, and today we are going to see about two more element of the form element, part of the form element. First is drop down and second is text area. So what is drop down and what is text area? Now we are going to see. In last lecture we saw that in the form, in a registration form, we are asking for name where input is text, we are asking for password where type is password, we are asking for gender, we have seen radio button, and course for checkbox. Now what if I want to know the age group of a contestant or age group of a any enrollment I want. So let's give a label of age group. Now here I am using a new tag, you all have to remember, that is select tag. In select tag, as usual, I have to give 1 out of 3, whether ID or name or class. So here I am again giving name as age. So now in select I have to give a tag name option. In option I am giving different option, 10 to 20. And many more. So here we are going different option. So 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now we save it. And we can see here that there is a group. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's use BR first. For what? For designing purpose, to make a form look good. Never forget to use BR. So here we can see the age group. Here I can see 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So what if I want first one to be a default? So here I am giving another option called select, and select, and here I am giving selected. So whenever you see that this select one is always selected, whenever it will load, it will be selected. For an example, let's see that on load I want that age group 20 to 30 to be by default selected. So all I have to give here attribute as selected. Okay, and there you can see that 2030 is a default selected value for any drop down. So this is the drop down case. Now next is text area. So what is text area? In the form you want your user to leave some comment, leave some feedback. So for that you have to create some text area. So let's see, I am giving a label comment, and in comment I am giving text area with name as area, and also here I am giving two things you have to give. Text area is like a table, so you have to give the number of rows you want to be shown and number of column you want to be shown. So for an example I am giving here rows equal to 3 and column column equal to 10. Okay, so here you can see that there is a comment section. I am using BR here again, Why I'm forgetting always BR, I don't know, but you try not to forget BR. So here it is, and I want to write anything, I can write whatever I want. So it will go for maximum 3 rows, and after that it will appear as a scroll button, so where you can go by scroll, and you can expand it as much as you want. So that is how text area work. So in this video we learn about text area and drop down in your registration form element. In the next video we are going to learn about reset button and submit button. So keep yourself posted, like this video, comment on it if you have any question, and share it to other people. Thank you for watching. Thank you.